Hi, I am from Techie Dialogue. In this video, I'll show you how to find your project on CapCut in Windows 11 PC. Whether you're returning to an unfinished edit or looking for past work, these steps will help you find your projects quickly. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open CapCut on your Windows 11 PC. If you're currently working on a project, don't worry. You don't need to close it to find your other projects. Look for the Menu button in the top left corner of the interface. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Step 2. From the menu, select Back to Homepage. This will take you to CapCut's main dashboard, where all your projects are listed. On the home page, you'll see all your recent projects displayed in chronological order. Each project shows a thumbnail preview, making it easy to identify the one you're looking for. Step 3. If you don't see your project immediately, you can scroll through the list or use the search function if you remember the project name. Click on any project to open and continue editing. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more editing tips. See you next time.